Good morning. How are you feeling today?
Good morning, doctor. I'm not feeling well.
I see. What seems to be the problem?
I have a headache and a sore throat
How long have you had these symptoms?
for about 3 days.
Do you have a fever?
Yes, a little, mostly at night.
Okay. Are you taking any medicine right now?
Just some painkillers, but they don't help much.
I understand. Do you have any allergies?
No, I don't.
All right. I'll give you some medicine and advise rest.
Thank you, doctor. How many days should I rest?
At least 3 to 5 days. Drink warm fluids and take the medicine on time.
Hi, can I see the menu, please?
Of course. Here you go.
Thank you. What do you recommend today?
Our chicken burger is very popular.
Sounds good. I'll have the chicken burger.
Would you like fries with that?
Yes, please. And a Coke.
Sure. Would you like it in a small or large size?
Large, please.
Any sauces or extras?
Can I get ketchup and mayo, please?
Absolutely. Would you like a dessert after your meal?
Maybe later. How long will the food take?
About 10 minutes. I'll bring it to your table.
Great. Thank you very much.
Hello. Can you help me find a shirt?
Of course. What size do you wear?
Medium, please?
Here are some options. Do you like this one?
Yes, it looks nice. Do you have it in blue?
Let me check. Yes, here's a blue one.
Great. Can I try it on?
Sure. The fitting room is right over there.
After trying, it fits well, but do you have a discount?
Yes, today we have 10% off.
Perfect. I'll take it.
Would you like to pay by cash or card?
Card, please.
Here's your receipt. Would you like a bag?
Yes, please. Thank you very much. Good evening, sir. Welcome to Sunshine Hotel.
Good evening. I have a reservation.
May I have your name, please?
Yes, my name is David Smith.
Thank you, Mr. Smith. Let me check. Yes, we have your booking.
Great. Is it a single room?
Yes, a single deluxe room for 3 nights.
Perfect. May I check in now?
Of course. Could I see your passport, please?
Here it is.
Thank you. Do you prefer a room on a higher floor?
Yes, please. A higher floor would be nice.
All right. Room 1205 on the 12th floor is ready for you.
Wonderful. Could you please arrange a wake-up call at 7 a.m.?
Certainly. Your wake-up call is set. Here is your room key. Enjoy your stay.
Good morning.
Good morning. What would you like today?
Can I have a cup of cappuccino, please?
Sure. Small, medium, or large?
Medium, please.
Would you like sugar with that?
Yes, just 1 spoon.
No problem. Anything else?
Yes. Do you have chocolate cake?
Yes, we do. Would you like 1 slice?
Yes, please. That looks delicious.
Great choice. Anything to drink with the cake?
Just water, please.
All right. Cappuccino, 1 slice of chocolate cake, and water.
Yes, that's correct.
Perfect. The total is $8.
Here you go. Thank you very much.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir. How can I help you today?
I'd like to open a new savings account.
Sure. Do you have your ID card with you?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Please fill out this form.
Okay. Do I need to give a photo too?
Yes, 1 passport-size photo is required.
All right, I have one with me.
Perfect. How much would you like to deposit today?
I'd like to deposit $500.
No problem. Please hand me the cash.
Here you go.
Thank you. I'll enter the details into the system.
How long will it take to get my account active?
Just a few minutes. You'll also receive an ATM card soon.
Great. Thank you for your help.
Hello, are you free?
Yes, please get in.
Thank you. Can you take me to the airport?
Sure. Do you have any luggage?
Yes, just 1 suitcase.
No problem. I'll put it in the trunk.
How long will it take to reach the airport?
About 30 minutes, depending on traffic.
Okay, that's fine.
Do you prefer the highway or the city road?
Please take the fastest way.
All right, I'll use the highway.
Thank you. How much will it cost?
Around $25.
Okay, let's go.
Please fasten your seatbelt.
Sure. Thank you for reminding me.
Good morning. I'd like to check in for my flight.
Good morning. Can I see your passport and ticket, please?
Sure, here you go.
Thank you. Are you checking in any luggage?
Yes, I have one suitcase.
Please put it on the scale.
Okay, here it is.
Great. Your bag is within the weight limit.
That's good. Can I have a window seat, please?
Let me check. Yes, I found one for you.
Perfect. Thank you.
Here's your boarding pass. Your gate number is 12.
What time does boarding start?
Boarding begins at 10:30. Don't be late.
Got it. Thanks for your help.